In the heart of sunny Maplewood Park, laughter and chatter filled the air as kids of all ages clambered across the playground. The sky was a vibrant canvas of blue, and small puffy clouds sailed calmly across it, mirroring the carefree spirits below. Among the children were 8-year-old Mia and her 6-year-old brother, Tommy. Today was their mission to build the tallest sandcastle the park had ever seen. With tiny, determined hands, they shoveled and sculpted. "It needs more towers," Mia declared, her nose sprinkled with freckles and sand. Tommy nodded, his bucket hat slipping over his eyes as he worked vigorously to fortify their sandy fortress. Nearby, a group of kids engaged in an epic battle of tag. Laughter erupted as sneakers pounded against the soft ground in a playful dance of chase. Every so often, a child would dart near Mia and Tommy's project, sending a mild tremor through their construction site. But the siblings only giggled, undeterred and embracing the challenge. Mia glanced at her brother, his cheeks pink from the sun and exertion. "Let's make a moat," she exclaimed. Together, they dug a shallow ring around their castle, occasionally stopping to admire their work or help a younger child retrieve a stray ball. As the sun began its slow descent, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, the park's atmosphere settled into a warm, pleasant calm. Parents called out, signaling it was time to head home. Mia looked at their sandcastle, now complete with driftwood flags and shell decorations, and beamed with pride. Hands clasped, Mia and Tommy headed towards their mom. Their faces were streaked with dirt, their clothes a testament to a day well spent. In their hearts was the joyous weightlessness of a childhood day, spirited and wonderfully unbound, just kids being kids.